Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite recipes. So let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my twice baked potato. I just took this potato out of the oven, so now I'll scrape out the insides. You can see it's still steaming. Okay, there's just a little bit that I left. I'll do the same to the second half. So I'm just smushing this up. I have one shallot that I'll dice up small. Because I'm only using one potato, I'm going to be using just half of the shallot. Cutting it really small. I'll be placing the shallot in with my potatoes. Just mix it all together. To my potatoes and shallot, I'll add in 1/8 of a cup of Fiesta cheese, which is shredded Monterey Jack and cheddar. I'll just mix this together. I'll spoon it back into my shell. I'll sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top. And I have some bacon pieces that I'll place on top. It's about a teaspoon of bacon bits on each half of the potato. I'll place this back in the oven until the cheese is melted. Look at how perfect these twice baked potatoes look. Doesn't that look good? A little bit of salt and pepper and some sour cream on top. And these twice baked potatoes are really, really good. Enjoy! Please follow me on YouTube under Princess 2008-47, Instagram under Princess 2008-47, Pinterest under Cheryl KFL, Facebook under Cheryl's Home Cooking, Twitter under Home Cooking with C, and especially iFood.tv under Cheryl's Home Cooking. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.